Hi guys, welcome to the Horror Family channel. I am REDRUM Queen, and today I'm doing a Krampus haul. I know Krampus passed, it was on December 5th, but I did get some Krampus items and I wanted to go ahead and show you. Today I'm going to be featuring 3 different vendors, and the first one I'm going to go ahead and start off with is called the Pickety Witch. You can go ahead and find her on Instagram, that's where I found her. And she does have an Etsy store, and I'm going to go ahead and put the links below like I always do. But if you follow her on Instagram, she'll let you know when new collections are coming out and stuff like that. So anyways, here is the first item I got. She sells artwork, she sells other witchy items, she sells t-shirts. I think she even has like an apron. But again, if you follow her on Instagram, she'll let you know when there's new drops, when she restocks on certain items and stuff like that. I've been trying to get this little guy for a while, and this time I caught him when he restocked, and it's not a Krampus item, but it is a little witchy item, and it's a little baby goat riding a broom. Isn't he cute? I'm gonna go ahead, bring him up close, and I've been trying to get this little guy for a while, so luckily I was able to get him this time when she released her Yule collection. So I picked him up, and I also picked up, of course, Krampus. And it did come in this little bag. It's full of lavender. She does tell you in her description if you are allergic to lavender to let her know so she doesn't pack her items with lavender, as that's how she packs all her items, or most of her items. I'm not sure of all, but she does pack her items with lavender. So this is the Krampus demon goat. And he has his little whipping stick, his little chain, and he has a lovely red color to his robe. And this is the back of the pin. And again, you can pick these guys up at the Pickety Witch. They're just lovely as can be. So yeah, go ahead and pick these guys up. The next item I'm going to show you is from a vendor that's a little bigger. It's based out in Australia, and it's called Black Milk Clothing. If you are familiar with them, they let out certain collections. They'll announce a date on their social media, and you go ahead. Some of the stuff are limited edition, and some of them are limited time edition, which is like a 7-day release. So this is the first item. And it is red leggings. As you can see, they are red, and they definitely go with the pin that I showed you from Pickety Witch. So these are from Black Milk. They have 3 different Krampuses. They have the traditional with his little basket and his little whip one. They have another one where he is bending over, sticking out his tongue. And then they have one where he probably stole the candy from all the naughty children here because his hand is full of candy. And it has beautiful garland around there, and it's a velvet material, so it's very, very soft, and they are leggings, and you know how much I love my leggings. So these are for Black Milk Clothing, and I got a matching top, which is an oversized shirt. And here it is. It's Krampus, and it says Judgment because he does judge your little children. And then in the back, there's a little story or history about Krampus, as you can see. So it's very, very, very cool. See if I can stretch that all out for you to see. And then on the sleeves, we got some more Krampus love. Let me go ahead and stretch that out for you. There we go. And then on the other side is the name brand of the clothing, which happens to be Black Milk. And again, an oversized shirt that has a little bit flare of red in there. That'll go perfect with the leggings. Again, Black Milk Clothing. You can go ahead and pick up other items. I don't know if these are available because they were limited edition. But you can go ahead and check out their other items. And they might have some Krampus things that weren't limited edition. So go ahead and check them. Hello guys, this is REDRUM Queen. I had to do a retake on the last part of my Krampus haul because I had a little issue with the doll's whipping stick here. It unglued itself. I tried to fix it a couple times, but it kept ungluing. I was using hot glue, but it just kept coming off, and originally it came off little bit after I unpacked her, so that's why I went ahead and tried to fix her with more glue. But I guess just some materials don't take well to being glued together, and it just doesn't stay. So I had to rig up a different method to put on that stick. So I went ahead and did more of a tie cord type thing with some of my old jewelry cord that I had left. And I think this will be much more stable. But aside from the stick ungluing itself, the doll is really, really amazing. I got it from Wendigo Oddities. I love this doll's face, the yellow eyes, the Krampus tongue, the horns. I love that she's a female version. I love that she has like a centaur feel to her. And here is her Krampus bell. And she has the chain around her waist. And then she has the fur, the crop top. And then, like I said, a very, very centaur type feel. And here are her hooves. I'm panning back up. But like I said, I winded up rigging up a different method to attach that stick because the glue was not working, and that's probably why it fell off originally after unpacking her. But there's the back of her head, and this is the crisscross of her crop top. And then if you see, I'm panning down, we will get to her full-on tail there all the way to the end. So she also has, sorry, it goes out of focus when we're moving around there. So here is her little Krampus bag, and you can see I love the little detail of the child's hand popping out of the bag. And I really love the doll a lot. I got it from Wendigo Oddities. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. And that's on Etsy. Wendigo Oddities has more traditional Krampus dolls as well as Krampus stockings. Those are the items I noticed. I think they also had like a Krampus nutcracker. I'm not sure what's available because things do sell out. But I'm sure you can look up the shop and see if they do any kind of custom pieces. But they're very talented, so definitely don't let the little incident detour you. But I just wanted to let you know that that did occur, so you know everyone is informed of everything when I do purchase things. So anyways, I want to thank you for watching the Horror Family channel. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Well, sort of on TikTok. We don't post that much there, but maybe in the future we will. But yeah, follow us on social media. Subscribe, hit that bell icon so you'll be notified of all the awesome videos we post. And we are really looking forward to 2021 so we can take you on our adventures. And so that's it. So remember, the family that scares together stays together. Bye.